In the 94-page ruling, U.S. District Court Judge Roger Benitez said sections of the state ban of military-style rifles, in place since 1989, violate the Second Amendment. He also compared the AR-15 assault rifle to a Swiss Army knife. Benitez issued a 30-day stay of his order to give State Attorney General Rob Bonta the opportunity for an appeal. That keeps the ban in effect. In a tweet on Friday, Bonta called the ruling fundamentally flawed and said there was no sound basis, in fact, to equate assault rifles with Swiss Army knives. John Dillon is the attorney for the gun owner rights groups which filed the suit. They argued their Second Amendment rights were restricted because the state's definition of an assault weapon was broadened over time.
It's ever expanding, ever changing law that we were challenging. And basically, the difference is the attachments that go to the gun. These differences don't do anything to the actual function or the ballistics of a firearm.
The ruling comes at a time when the nation continues to grapple with gun violence, with the rise in mass shootings and a push from some lawmakers to ban assault weapons. Carol Landale is a San Diego County resident and member of multiple gun control organizations, including San Diegans for Gun Violence Prevention. She says these organizations don't want to take firearms away from responsible gun owners, but the recent ruling on assault weapons poses a serious risk for further gun violence.
Already we see that states with less restrictive gun laws have a much higher death rate from guns, and that's both homicide and suicide. So we know that these laws do work. They're not the only solution, but they are part of the solution.
Judge Benitez previously ruled that the state's ban on high-capacity magazines was unconstitutional and also overturned the restriction on remote purchases of gun ammunition. The state is appealing both of those decisions. Jacob Aere, KPBS News.